Hey, welcome to Cat and TV, guys. Today I'll be unboxing this 7-piece home gym equipment pieces that I got as a gift the other day. And so I said, you know what, let me just unbox it in front of camera, because I know that persons will be looking for Christmas gift, what to give persons. So this is a piece that you can get on Amazon or Temu. So you can check it out, it's reasonable. Yeah, and all these parts, the 7 pieces are very important, and you can work out with your spouse. You can give it to a meal because it's in blue, but blue is my favorite color, so I asked for it in blue. Yes, so some of the equipment pieces I will not be using as yet because I'm not able to use them now. However, I know that my husband can use some of them. So both of us will be working out. However, in this video, I myself is going to work out, use two of the pieces. So please stay tuned for that. And watch my little working out at the end of the video. So it's no biggie, it's nothing fancy dancy, but I'm just trying. All right, so maybe for each um video that I will be uploading, I'll be doing a little workout in it, just to boost myself and others who are out there who wants to work on their, fitness for this year, for this season, for the last month. I want it to be constant, but it go. All right, so these are the things that I got in it. So first I have a hand grip. You can use that to help with the gripping. I got this elastic, so it's like a resistant band. And then I got the skipping rope, which is gonna be very helpful for me. That's what I'm gonna use mostly. And then I have the rolling wheel set, and then I have the knee pad, 2 push-up bars, so we can use that. For now, as I said before, I don't know if I say it, but I'm only gonna work with 2 of them. guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.